So in this Get Ready With Me for the Day, I am going to talk about skincare and some good makeup products. And while I'm pausing the video to do my hair, I have not done this. This is freshly washed, but not styled. I straightened it, decided not to I naturally dried it halfway, and then blow dried it after it was like 90% dry. So I am going to put on, while I'm waiting for, what I do is I wait for this to soak in my face, and then go style my hair. And then I'm going to come back and do my face, my makeup. Not going anywhere special today, not putting extensions in. It's a sweatshirt day, but I like to make my face look presentable, where all my areas are, I have different pigment, especially stands out in the winter when we're pale. So in my first step, I use a vitamin C serum. And this one, I happened to grab at Dollar General. It's by Clinicals. It's fairly cheap, and it's called Glowing Facial Oil. And it has vitamin C, ferulic acid, vitamin E. Vitamin E is very good if you have dry spots on your skin too. And what this does is it brings out the pigmentation in your skin without, I've noticed a huge difference in using a vitamin C serum, and it will bring the color out. Some days I don't even have to use foundation because it's just that good. I just noticed how much it brings the pigment to your face. So I'm going to let that soak in and do my hair. I'm back. Okay. So I lied. You can do with the halo what you want. You don't have to wear it every day. And that's the greatest thing about not having tied in extensions and permanent. But, you know, unless you have your lazy days where you don't want to use it, unless you're like me and you're like, gosh, I really like long hair. And the only way to have it is to wear it. So here I am. Even though I told you I didn't want to do this today. I'm going to pin up, and I did the long flowy curls, and I feel like it meshes really well with your natural hair because you can't really tell where mine ends and where that begins. So that's what I like. I like to blend it and make sure it's very good and blended, because there are people on the internet and I can see all kinds of separation in their extensions, and people don't care. And I'm here to tell you that you can see every bit of discrepancies when you're not doing your skincare regime and you're not doing putting things on or whatever properly. There's a reason that there's tons of other YouTube channels, videos. Halo Couture gives you tons of ways to wear a halo, and they show you exactly how to do it. It is worth the time to subscribe or watch their videos. Now I'm going to start with the NYX Wonder Stick. You can pick, they have a lot of contour colors. I like to use this right here on the nose, and then right up here and here. And then what I like to do is take my Seint Makeup color Mango. And that color is a little bit orangey. But I will go over it with Athens, which that's the tin that Athens comes in. These containers are really awesome. I guess some people don't like that, but I just love them. Every time they come and you order, you get a different scene on it, which I think is cool because you can make a poster board of just the tin covers, and it's just artistic to me. I don't know. I'm gonna just dab the 3D brush that from mascara. This is the older brush. The new brushes from Seint are it's just rebranded, and it says Seint but they have the same things. And the brushes are amazing. That's another thing I will tell you. I'm going to go over my color spots, my darker color right there. I have a little bit of pigmentation that I like to dab the mango on, and it helps to disguise that if you want to disguise that. There are lots of looks now where people want to bring out their freckles or maybe even dot freckles on, and we have contours. Seint has contours for that. That helps kind of bring out those beauty marks, and you can put them on. So I don't discourage that either, but just to get my skin a little more even toned in the winter, I've got to go over the pinkish hues, which is like I'm taking my brightener color highlight and brightening in the areas I want, you know, the lighter color coverage, which is here and here, and then in the corners here. And what I'll do is kind of make it, it works kind of like a concealer, but it's better than a concealer. And now I'm going to blend out my contours. I'll take a little bit of my Athens shade and go up top. I don't like getting my forehead too dark. You don't want to accent age spots and wrinkles. I have a lot of forehead wrinkles, and I might want to try some injectables one day, but for right now, I'm not. So, Seint does a good job. It really does. I still don't feel like I need to use a filter on my face. It really helps blend. It doesn't settle in the lines, which I have a huge problem with. My most recent trip to Ulta, trying to use other products. So I'm going to talk a lot about Seint. I am a makeup artist that uses whatever brands works for you, but Seint works so good for me. So I'm definitely going to talk about that. And there is a color I would like to use, a color combination, which I want to talk about is for the lips. I'm not huge on lip colors and lipsticks, but I really like the combinations of using the lip and cheeks from Seint, because you can combine the colors and they make a beautiful hue of a different color. And I want to show you that. And let me find that combination. Okay, so here is Frenchie, a light color, and Spellbound, a very dark color, which a lot of people like. It's very dark on me. I have fair skin. So I'll take a little, and a lot of times I'll use a moisturizer first. So I'm just going to put the dark and use the rest from my finger on my cheeks because it's a lip and cheek. And then I'm going to take Frenchie, which is more of a glossy. And combine those two colors. And that is just a beautiful nude pink color, which a lot of times is what I'm after, because I like nude colors. I like pinks. They look really good on your fair skin, blue eyes, you know, that kind of thing. I think if you have darker eyes, it looks better with darker lipsticks, but I can't wear the darker lipsticks. It really washes me out. So that's what it looks like on the cheek. And that's what the combination looks like on the lips. And it's fabulous. There's just, you know, Seint has so many combinations. If you go into my link, if you'll follow me on Instagram, I have a link in my bio, which sets up all my, you know, things to my favorites. And one of them is the Seint website, and you go there, check it out. There's tons of different lip and cheek colors. If you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, so I hope you guys can find a great combination that works for you.